Hi, my name is Shafayat and I am using tripandpick.tk. I can see the homepage where you can search like where I want to travel. So, for example, if I want to travel between September and November, there is a mistake in the spelling as well in November.
Oh, that's good.
Um, so, when I search, I can see my preferred interests and the different states with the number of farms and number of interests. So if I supposedly click fun and games, zoos and aquariums, beaches, nature and wildlife area, and then press search, I see all the states with different number of farms that are available. So if I want to click on South Australia, I can see that there is one farm with which is JNB Kaleske. I cannot like go to the like the website of this farm. So let's try a different state. Over here there are like 26 farms with all their ratings. I just get to see the location of the farms, that's it. Um, let me let me see what the frequently asked questions page look like. It has the payment details, tax, and work rights, and like if I press on TFN, it takes me to the tax file number, the Australian government website page. Uh, so all these links are good. About Us page is about the website and the members who have developed this website. If I want to suggest anything, I can also suggest it in this section. The search tab takes me to the search function which we saw in the home page and has the same thing. Let me try something new. Takes some time for the data to load, but eventually it loads. That's pretty much it.